Hey guys, Kyle Bradshaw here, and I have a sneak peek for you of a brand new item that's going to shake things up in the dirt bike or moto world. This is BOXO. Now this is a MotoBox. Literally, this thing is packed with everything or anything you would ever need to work on your dirt bike, your motocross bike, your desert bike. This thing, it's gonna blow your mind when I open the lid. So let's do it real quick. So literally everything that you're gonna need, we're talking tire tools, axle wrenches, torques, we've got hex heads, we have all of the sockets that you're ever gonna need here in the big sizes and the small sizes. We've got 3/8 to half, 3/8 to quarter. You've got your 1/4 inch, your 3/8. We have a breaker bar. Now take a look, everything is set into its own foam holster. So there's no rattling around in the back of your truck or in the back of your van. This thing is dialed. Take a look, we've got your axle wrench. A lot of the key tools that Motion Pro has had in their lineup for a long time find themselves branded in the BOXO brand here in the box. For example, we have axle tools. This guy's a dual 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter. We have a 32 on this side. Again, they have their nice little slot that they slide into here at the top. And then you have your adapters, 27 millimeter and 22 millimeter. Now you're looking at a big KTM where you got to break that axle nut loose. 32 millimeter socket right here. Everything in this box is ready for you to be able to go out there and rip and have a good time. Now let's move down just a little bit further. Here we're going to have all of your flathead screwdrivers, a tape measure to set sag, another Allen wrench thing to take with you so you just walk around the bike and do quick stuff, your Phillips heads, and of course you need a hammer. Kind of looks like a blacksmith hammer. But moving down, we've got needle nose pliers, we've got some dikes, we've got some small clippers. Just in case you had a cast on before you got there to race, you got to cut the cast off real quick before you go ride. This guy right here, a pair of scissors. We've got your safety wire tools, keys for the toolbox, of course. And moving down to the bottom, complete assortment of open and box end wrenches. We've got a spoke tool for you, and of course, you need to make sure that your tire pressure is always dialed. This box is fully equipped with anything and everything you're gonna need out there at the track or on the trail. On the trail meaning back at the truck at your staging point, of course. You're not strapping this to the back of your 500 EXC and riding off into the woods. But this neat new offering from BOXO is really gonna change the game. Now why is that? It's gonna change the game because usually guys are literally picking pieces out of their big toolbox in their garage, throwing everything in there. When they go to work on their bike next, you got tools over here, you got tools over there. This is the one-stop shop. Everything you need in one box. You literally always have it with you. If this is in your van, you know you have everything that you need in order to work on your bike. These are snap-on quality tools with a lifetime warranty. That's right, lifetime warranty from BOXO. And there it is, the BOXO Toolbox. $6.99 is what this thing costs. But if you sourced out all of the tools that are inside this box and a sturdy metal toolbox to boot, I have for you at this first look of the BOXO Moto Toolbox. Now I'm really curious to see what you think. Do you look at this and be like, forget that, I already have built my toolbox, I've already got all those tools? If that's the case, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear it. If you're seeing this for the first time and going, dude, that's a phenomenal idea, I'd like to see what that comment looks like down below as well. And yeah, I'm Kyle Bradshaw, this is BOXO, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care, ride safe out there.